Hey, what's up? I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today we're talking about serving another photographer. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So today's topic came really from a conversation I was having with my wife. And I started reminiscing back to a situation I had with another photographer. And anyway, we were shooting, and somebody, I think, yelled from across the street, Tron Moses Photography. And so he yelled back his photography name. So that's how this discussion came up today. And I want y'all to interact. Tell me your thoughts on what I'm saying, your thoughts about this. And that didn't sit well with me. And it's not going to be a long video, but if it was reversed and the shoe was on the other foot and somebody said, let's just say your name Mojo, and I'm serving you and helping you, serving you, it's the same thing. And somebody said, Mojo Photography. I'm not going to yell out Tron Moses Media or Tron Moses Photography. Because one, I'm there to help you. I'm there to assist you. I'm there to help your vision. Now let me tell you something. If I was to assist you during a photo shoot, those people would never know I'm a photographer unless you tell them or they ask me. But I'm not going to offer that information because, like I said, I'm there to assist you, whether that be with holding your light, whether that would be holding your camera until you're ready for it again, or handing you different lenses, swapping out lenses and putting the caps back on them, putting them back in your case, whatever that may be. I'm there to assist you for that day. So it's not about me. It's not about me. It's not about my photography. It's not about my skills. It's not about my website. I'm there for you. So I was just telling my wife like that, even though my wife already knew this already from when it happened before, but I don't know, I just brung it up again today out of nowhere. But like him saying his name showed me that he was for himself. If I'm there with you on your shoot, like I said, I'm there for you. I'm your assistant. It's all about Mojo Photography today. And making sure Mojo Photography get good photos, making sure Mojo Photography, if Mojo Photography says, hand me the 35. Got it. We get Mojo the 35. Mojo say, hand me the 85. Get Mojo the 85. Mojo Photography. Like, that's right. Mojo, come on, I'm your cheerleader. I'm your help. I'm your assistant that day. So I like to know y'all thoughts on it. Like, if one photographer is out there helping another, should they be advertising themselves? Should they be marketing themselves? Should they be telling his clients their photography name? Should he be sharing his website with their clients? I want to know what y'all think. Talk to me, interact, let me know. Me personally, I already tell y'all how I feel like. That's wrong. If you're serving me, if you're helping me, it's all about Tron Moses Media that day. All about Tron Moses. Now, in turn, if I turn around and help you, then it's all about Mojo Photography that day. And I would never shout my name because that's disrespect. Because that's like, think about it now. They shouted my business. He shouted back his business. That kind of made it seem like you in competition with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I'm there to serve you, I shouldn't be there competing with you. I want to make sure you get the best photos you can. If I got to be the light man, I don't hold lights. I don't like holding lights. But if that's what you want, if I'm there to serve you that day, then I'm gonna hold your light. If I hold on to it, say the wind blowing, and you just want me to hold on to your light, and you say, well, Tron, pick it up. I pick it up because that's what you want. I'm gonna do what I can to make sure you get the best photos, and that I'm doing everything I can that you want me to do to assist you in helping you get the best photos. Whatever you want. Like I told you, if I gotta hand you lenses, if I gotta get your cloth and wipe your lenses down, whatever I gotta do, you wanna change cameras, give me the camera, I'll put the cap back on the camera, hand you another camera. I'm there to assist. And I feel like assistance should be, you're there totally for Tron Moses Media. You are not there to advertise you whatsoever. I don't think we should be trying to take other people's clients. If people come to you, that's fine. But they never heard of this person. They didn't know him. He was shopping himself. You know what I'm saying? He was putting himself out there, which he should have never done. So I had said to my wife, was she my wife at the time? Said to my wife, I ain't gonna use him no more. You know? I have used people before. Have I used another photographer before? I can't think right now. I'm pretty sure I haven't used another photographer. But I know other photographers that I plan on using in the future, and I'm sure that they wouldn't even do what he did. And honestly, it didn't shock me that he did that. But it showed me that he's all about, he's not a team player. I'm a team player. I'm not shouting my name. You don't even have to know that I do photography. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you ask me like, and what is it you do? I might look at him to like see if he got a problem with me telling him. He nodded head like, God. I was like, oh, I do photography too. I want to get your permission because I don't want you to ever feel like I'm trying to take your clients. I'm not trying to take your clients. She asked me what I do. I tell her, I get the approval for you. I look at you. You get that nod. Because if somebody asks me that, ask my assistant that, what is it you do? He look at me, I'm like, go ahead, tell her. No, he do photography. You know, but other than that, if somebody is shouting the person you assisting name, then you shouldn't shout your own name. So listen, I'm Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media. Tell me what you think. Am I wrong for feeling he's wrong? Like I told you, this is years ago. I'm not sitting here mad about something current. This is years ago. So in fact, this is when I started with art lenses. So let me know y'all thoughts. Let me know how you would feel about that. If you would have a problem with it, you wouldn't have a problem with it. It's okay for them to shout their photography name. It's okay to give your clients their business card or their website, whatever. Catch you on the next video.